Hey everyone, and welcome to our webinar. My name is Theo Kanelopoulos. I'm the CEO of Out in the Clouds, and we are a silver partner of Salesforce. Very happy to have you here today. We are today showing you a use case around how location intelligence and marketing and process automation has helped our customer 18 Tuition deliver an improved customer experience and is saving their team hours of admin time each week. 18 Tuition are an education company, a tutoring business in Queensland, who are scaling quite quickly across the eastern seaboard. Is their next move, and they do have plans to move nationally. So we're very excited to see them to continue to develop their business on the Salesforce platform. And you will see today how what's been built so far has allowed them to really increase efficiencies across their business. To help explain the use case, we've created some fictitious characters to play their part and help tell the story. So today we have Jim Smith. Jim Smith's looking for tutoring for his daughter, Sally. So as most of us do when we're looking for a product or service, he goes to Google and types in a search for tutors in Queensland. He looks through the search results and he finds one result from 18 Tuition. Because he's heard about them in the news lately, he decides to click on their website and just make sure that it's the same business that he actually saw featured. So he gets to their homepage, has a bit of a look around, can see, yep, he definitely saw them on the Today Show. So he's going to click the Book a Tutor button and find out a bit more information. On the Contact Us page, he scrolls down and he can see a form, which in fact is a Pardot form that is displayed on the 18 Tuition website. So Jim fills out this form and submits his inquiry. So Jim has actually submitted that form, which, as I mentioned before, is a Pardot form. So that submission goes through Pardot, and there's some automation in place that actually qualifies that submission and sends Jim Smith through to Salesforce as a lead, where Salesforce allocates Jim's lead through to the student success manager who's best suited to deal with that particular lead. In this case, it's Tom Tuition. And Tom has been, as you can see on the screen, Tom has now been allocated the lead. And the first thing that they do in their process is Tom calls Jim to qualify the inquiry. So during the call, Tom and Jim discuss options for Jim's daughter, Sally, because she needs some extra help with maths. Jim's quite happy with what they've discussed and agrees to move forward so Tom can send him some tutor options. To move forward within the process, Tom converts the lead into an account and an opportunity. While they're on the call, Tom begins the matching process using Salesforce Maps, which is Salesforce's location intelligence tool. Tom's using this tool to be able to find the best suited tutors for Sally based on a few things, but mainly subject and year level. And he also wants to make sure that they are within 30 minutes drive from the tutoring location, which in this case is the Smith household. Tom can see layers of tutors and students that need to be matched. Tom clicks on the pin to see details so that he can make a subjective call on if the tutor would be suited based on the discussion with Jim. Tom comes across Enrico and he suggests Enrico to Jim for the initial session, as he believes that he's best matched to Sally's needs and actually lives close by. Jim accepts the recommendation, so Tom processes the first booking. Once the initial booking is confirmed, using Pardot and Salesforce with Salesforce Maps together, an automated email is sent to the student or the family main contact, which in this case, it's going out to Jim. Also, using an SMS product by Salesforce, which is called digital engagement, an SMS is sent out before the appointment as a reminder to make sure that as many appointments that are booked are attended. So we've now seen the end-to-end booking process, how a parent such as Jim can find through Google a tutoring service. In this case, it's 18 Tuition, and then submit an inquiry. That inquiry then gets managed through the Salesforce platform across Pardot, Service Cloud, and Salesforce Maps. And you've seen how easy it has been to match a tutor internally and manage that process using the platform. So we're now going to show you how a tutor, or in this case Enrico, is able to manage his day and stay engaged with the 18 Tuition business. So Enrico logs into the portal to see his appointments for the day. I can see Sally is the first on the list. Enrico goes out to the first session, and Sally was there with her dad, Jim, and they went through the session together. So Enrico logged the hours and the details of the session in the appointment so that he can be credited towards having completed those and ultimately get paid for that particular tutoring session. As that's been done, and obviously this particular portal is actually connected to this, is sitting on the Salesforce platform using Salesforce Communities, the hours that were entered are actually deducted from the student, and an email is sent to the parent, in this case Jim, notifying them of a completed session. So in summary, you've seen how easy it was for Jim to search for a tutor and then make an inquiry via the Pardot form on the 18 Tuition website. Once the lead was actually allocated internally to Tom, he was able to go through the qualification process, help Jim out with his inquiry and his questions, go through the matching process to find the best tutor for Jim's daughter, Sally, using Salesforce Maps and the location intelligence technology there. Finishing off the booking process using Service Cloud and automating communication and notifications using Pardot and digital engagement. And then finally, you've seen how the tutor, or in this case, Enrico, has used Community Cloud by Salesforce to be able to essentially engage with the 18 Tuition platform and be able to manage their day and stay engaged with their business. So we've actually got Hayden from 18 Tuition on the call today. So we wanted to sort of invite him to just say a couple of words about the experience and how the business is using the platform currently and what they're looking to do in the future. So Hayden, did you want to say a couple of things?
Yes, hello, welcome. Yeah, I'll say a couple of things about the system. So we've had the Salesforce system in for 5 months now. We went ahead with Out in the Clouds around September last year. So we put a lot of pressure on these guys to turn it around very, very quickly, and they did. They delivered. They did fantastic. The system is actually far beyond my expectations, and I had some high expectations through looking through this and everything. But before this, we were using it was 5 different systems where some of them spoke, some of them different, and we just had basically 5 major issues that were coming from that. The first one was it was very hard to do payroll because everything was clunky. The next thing was it was taking over 30 minutes to find a tutor and match them, just because of taking into account traffic, drive times, availability, subjects, personality, the whole thing. Our systems didn't talk, so our data integrity sucked. We had 3 systems with 3 core CRM systems with 3 sets of data, and stuff will get updated in one, not the other. We had no sort of portal where tutors could come together and have everything in one place, and it was quite hard for them to actually put timesheets in and claim everything. And then the last thing was getting actual data and insights into the business. What I found now, that I think that's probably the biggest thing since switching systems is what I thought the business was is so different to what it actually is. And that's been part of the challenge of moving over, is I've had absolute clarity as to what exactly is going on, and I've realized how far out our data was in some of the other systems, because we've grown very, very quickly, 80% year on year for 8 years in a row now. And we massively outgrew our old systems, and it's honestly changed the entire way that we not only have structured the business, but it changed our entire financial model, our entire KPIs, our metrics, our meeting routines, everything. Now we've got this one beautiful dashboard that the entire team looks at. If you're thinking about moving forward, like it did cost us probably close to 75, 80 grand in the first 6 months to get this up and running, but well worth it if you're looking to really scale and get that integrity in those insights. And so we're going to be using the system now to go from 200 tutors to 5,000 in 5 years. And so far it's definitely been a key piece of that puzzle.
Awesome, mate. Thank you so much for that. So you mentioned the booking process. I mean, what are some of the times that you're hearing out of the team in terms of, obviously there's still an adoption curve and all the rest of it, but how long usually is it taking to use Salesforce Maps for the people that have obviously learnt it properly?
Yep.
Is it a matter of minutes, or how much time are we saving?
Yeah, so they're matching tutors under a minute now. So we've gone from 30 minutes to under a minute. And we're getting better at it. But the biggest advantage it's given us is it's starting to reduce the level of human error. Before it was a lot of in their heads, and we had these clunky Excel docs, whereas now we've
the
built
logic. Yeah, okay.
built the logic out exactly how we want it, and it's far more accurate. We're having way less transfers after the first session, so we've seen that drop by 50% in 5 months.
Did you want to explain that? So when you say transfer, does that mean request to change tutors?
Yeah. So that's when so we put the first tutor out there, the tutor goes out. It's either one, the tutor's like, oh, sorry, it wasn't what I thought, or two, it wasn't a subject. Like it's not a subject. Either two, there was a toll, or it was further than 30 minutes, and we misdid that, or three, it just doesn't fit in their schedule, or four, the client didn't like the tutor in the first place. So there's a lot of things that can go wrong there, and it's a critical point because it's their first experience with that service, that first experience with the tutor. So it has to go right if we're going to get longevity with our students.
Incredible. That's some great anecdotal and obviously tangible results there. So, mate, it's been a pleasure working with you guys so far. Obviously, we've got some great plans to help you guys get to that 5,000 number and integrate your business further on the platform. So thanks for joining, and thanks so much for trusting us and the technology in the first place. So for anyone that does watch this, feel free to contact us for any questions regarding how the technology can be applied to your use case. And we hope you got value from this. We hope to speak to you soon. Cheers.